these are the 8 watering tablets. Are you going to teach colors today?
Yeah.
Alright. Let's see what's inside these. What's that?
These are my tablets.
Tablets.
Now this is empty.
Empty.
Can you open this?
Okay, let's open it.
And then
So these are the tablets.
folks.
Wow, these are the Paw Patrol tablets that we got from Target.
And let's find my folks.
Okay, you want to bring your Paw Patrols?
Yeah, this tiny Zuma, Marshall, Cheese, Rubble, and Rocky.
What? Rocky fell down.
Yeah, but she swept it up.
Oh, his leg is up. That's why. Oh, there he goes.
But the tablets in these water. I want to do that. I'll first open it and do it to me.
Are you excited to put the tablet in the water? Alright, let's do it. These are the tablets. Let's open it. Wow.
The tablets in the water.
Water. Oh, what color is it becoming? Green.
This is blue, this is yellow, this is green, this is pink, and this is indigo.
Indigo.
Yeah.
I think that's purple.
I think that is black.
Yeah, it's kind of a combination of all the colors. Alright, now let's start the Paw Patrol game.
Yeah, love it. My puzzles. Muscle. Rubble. Zuma. And this is it. Skye. Rocky.
Now let's do the rescue mission.
Some pluckers.
Pluckers.
Yeah.
Thank you for saving all the Paw Patrols.
No, I didn't say a papa. Subscribe to my channel. Look at the subscribe button.
Click the subscribe button. That's right.
Bye.
Bye, Diyan.
Bye, mommy, mama.